Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can fix the link you followed has expired error on WordPress. So let's get right into it. Now, considering that I cannot replicate the error on my site, I'm going to go over into this article on WordPress Beginner, where I'm going to cover some methods with which you can fix this error. Usually what this error pertains to is the media upload size. If the upload size has gone over or if the file size has gone over your limit, then it's usually what happens, and you'll get this error where your hosting provider won't be able to host that link. Now, excuse me, there are a couple of methods. I'll be showing you two of them. The first is using WP Code, which is a plugin which I cannot use because I'm on the free plan, but pretty much all you have to do is go and search for WP Code on the marketplace, install it, then activate it, and then you can edit your code on your site. Now for this, you're going to go into code snippets and then add snippet, and for your admin, from your admin area, and then just click add custom code, and then just all you need to enter is this code over here in the code preview box, and make sure it is a PHP snippet, and then add this PHP code. And after you do that, the limit will be set to 120 megabytes for upload and post sizes, and the execution time should be 300 seconds. You can adjust these sizes depending on your wishes, but that is pretty much all you need to do and change. Then you need to set it as active, then save the snippet, and that should be it. Other than that, you can do it manually through the WP config PHP, which you can also access through FTP clients or file managers in cPanel or hosting or hPanel, and you just need to go ahead and enter your files, go and find the WordPress config.php, and then edit it however you want or however you can. Then go in, and once you get in there, just paste this line before the line that says that's all, stop editing. Just enter just like this, define WordPress memory limit, set it to however many megabytes you would like. This is 256 megabytes, and that should be useful as well. You can also do this through editing the htaccess file. However, messing with that can break other things on your site, so I'm not going to cover it. But yeah, that is pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.